Yes, welcome back to another new video. So as you can see here, we have two phones, both of them from Nokia, and this is Nokia C7 and this one is Nokia N8. So I have been using this phone for I think many months right now, and actually I love Nokia C7 than Nokia N8 because it has the lightness and it's really comfortable to hold. And here Nokia N8, which is a camera champ, as you can see here, it's have a quite big camera and it's quite good. Still it takes beautiful photos, and I have made a video about that about the camera quality of this phone. And here we have Nokia C7, which is also a good phone, as you can see here. So as you can see here, so both of them actually quite good phone and running on Symbian. And here Nokia N8 actually running on custom OS, which is different than this one, and this is official ROM. And I didn't update this phone. Actually I can update this phone, but still I'm not updating because I love this look. So as you can see, the old look is little different than the new look, so I just love it. So that's why I'm still using this phone. And actually I have used this, I have shown this phone previously in my channel. I think if you are watching my channel, you have seen this phone. And as you can see here, I didn't get battery. Actually I bought a battery for 30 cents, which is working just fine on this phone, which is actually not for this phone, it's a different model, but still it's working just fine. So let me show you. So as you can see here, the battery is not this similar battery, but it's just working fine here. And for Nokia N8 I bought a new battery, and the new battery is quite good and it can hold power. So and this ROM is quite good actually for the Nokia N8 because it has a gesture. So if I do from here, like the multitasking gesture like you get with other phones, so you can do this here. So if you back, as you can see, if I press from this side or just drag from this side, it will ask me to close all the apps. And if I do this side, that side, I have a lot of gesture, so the gestures are working fine. But here I haven't do anything with this phone, it's purely stock. And I love this phone, it's quite good to hold. And although this is the phone which everyone choose because this is camera champ and the camera is still quite good. So let me show you. Let's take a photo. So as you can see here, you can see the view. This is not the original camera app, so let's turn on the original camera app. So let's take a photo of my headphone. So let me focus. So as you can see, it has a red light. So it took the photo. So spec wise, these two phones actually are nearly identical. So the camera here is 12 megapixel, here is 8 megapixel, and the storage is in this phone is 16 gig and it has 18 gig, and other things like RAM, display and other things are same. It has also the volume locker button and have camera button and other things, and this also has same things here. And this phone is quite chunky rather than C7. I think this phone is made for the girls, so girls like this phone a lot, I think so. But for me, I also do like this phone because of its looks very beautiful than Nokia N8. So hopefully you are still using these phones, and this phone actually gems of Nokia phones and quite good phones actually, and great sound. But I found that Nokia N8 doesn't support a lot of earphones. Like this earphone also doesn't support my Nokia N8. I don't know this one supports or not. Let's check. So as you can see, headset details. So this one is supporting this earphone, but when I plug on this phone, I don't think it will support. Let's check. As you can see here, it's saying that accessory is not supported. I don't know why. Maybe the custom firmware has some problem, so that's why it's not supporting. So rather than that, this two phone is still working still get the internet connection, still can use 3G connection, everything working just fine. And you can use some basic apps and games, although I haven't installed any kind of apps and games on this phone. But this phone I have many apps and games, as you can see here. I played them quite some time, and I keep them with me always. And these things actually give me goosebumps. So whenever I see them here on internet, I just take out my phones and I check them and I have a look on them. These phones actually, I don't know Nokia will make this kind of phone or not anymore, because these phones are really awesome. So it has like good things, good battery backups and other things, and the front camera is still usable for video call. And the display, actually the display here is really good. Hopefully you can see these two are AMOLED panel, and this phone's from 2010, and there is no skin burning issue, nothing like that. I think the display from the late earlier are really good. As you can see here, the displays on AMOLED panels are here are really good. So that's it for today. I hope you guys are still using this phone, and if you are still using this phone, please comment below, and I want to see how many of you are still using these phones. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time with something else.